Friends, welcome to my channel Technical Zone. My name is Lakshmikant and you are watching the series of the basic programs. In my last video, we have seen the Fibonacci series. Today, I will write a program so to find the given number is prime or not. So, what is a prime number? Prime number is nothing but the number which has only two factors, means number is divisible by the 1 or the number itself. So, here is some list of the prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7. If you observe it, so these are the numbers which are only divisible by the 1 and the number itself. Suppose we consider the 9 is prime or not. Okay, so 9 is not the prime number because 9 is divisible by the 139. So it means it has the more than the two factors. This is the general definition, but how we can build the logic or how we can write a program in PHP. Okay, so I am PHP developer, so I will write the program in PHP. So let's begin. So open one editor. I use the Notepad++. So I already described in my last video, that is in Fibonacci series program, what are the basic requirements related with the PHP, what are the web server you require, okay, what are the syntax, and the other how we can start the web server. Okay, so if you are interested to learn that the PHP how we can write, okay, so I will cover these are the in detail in when I will create the series on the PHP. Okay, so we will go into detail. So for now, just basic, you just watch that the Fibonacci series, so you would have an idea how to write the program in PHP. So let's begin for this the prime number now. So I just write the this is the program for prime number. Okay, before I will save this program. So once you install that the XAMPP, so under that the htdocs and the I created one folder program list. So here dot php. So your PHP program file must be extension with the .php. Here suppose I want to consider one number, suppose the 12. I want to find out whether that the number is prime or not. Okay, so I will consider another variable, that is the status suppose, and suppose I will call one function, suppose the find prime, and I will pass this num variable to this function. So define this function find prime, read this the value, and suppose p, for example. So now we know that to find that the prime number. Okay, so the number itself, that is the 1, and the number itself, that is the divisible only. Okay, so that is only the prime number. So what we can do, we can take one loop, suppose the for, and we try to divide that number from the 2. Okay, so initialize equal to 2, then we have to iterate this loop till that the number, that is the $p, and $i plus plus. Okay, suppose is completely divisible, suppose $p, or $i equal to 0. Okay, means there is no any reminder. So here we will just return 0, else it will return the 1. So if it returns the 1, then we can consider that the number is a prime number, because we are divisible this number from 2 to number itself, that is the from 2 to suppose 11. Okay, for example 2 to 11, and then we are checking this the remainder whether that is 0 or not. If it gets 0, then if we will return the 0. Okay, if it return the 0, then that number is not the prime number. So here once we return the 0, it will assign to this the status, and according to that the status we will check what exactly the value. If so, we will check this dollar dollar status. If not the true, then just print the statement like given number is not a prime number. Okay, else it's a prime number. To run this program, open the localhost. This is my program folder, that is program list under the std docs. Here you can find our program prime.php text 7. Yeah, okay. So here function keyword is missing. Okay, so given number 12 is not a prime number. So we have seen that the what are the prime numbers like 2, 3, 7. Okay, so just try this one 3. Okay, so given number is the 3 is a prime number. Suppose 11. Yeah, suppose consider the 6. 6 is divisible by 2, 3 as well, 1 itself, 6 itself. So 6 is not the prime number. Okay, so in this video we understood what exactly the prime number. Okay, I hope you understand this program and the logic behind this one. Okay, so if you like this the video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.